Hi guys, I'm coming to you from my dining room table. I thought we'd do a little math. We haven't done our number of the day in 3.5 weeks. 3.5 weeks we've been out. I've missed you so. All right, so if we add a 1 to our ones place, instead of having 123, we now have 120. That's right, 124. Now, we have to decide if it's even or odd. Let's review that. Ones place is the only place we have to look for even and odd numbers. Now, you know if it has a partner, if everything has a partner, it is, yes, even. Even Steven. If it's even, what can we do with it? Do you remember? Split it in half. I heard you say that. Split the number in half. Okay? And 1/2 is a fraction. 1 out of 2 equal parts. Equal being the big deal there. Okay? You have to have 2 equal parts. Okay? Now, when we were at school, we chose people to do our numbers of the day. There's our prime and composite sheet, which we don't need today because it's even. All right. I'm going to pick Wilfrey. There's Wilfrey. And Ashley, because we can split the number in half and we need 2 equal parts. Okay? Now, if I have 4 ones, each person gets a 1. A set of ones, 2 ones. Okay? If I have 2 10s, each of them gets a 10. Now, who gets the 100? Remember, we used to play this game at school. Now, what do I do with this 100? Think about it a minute. That's right. Okay. I take the rubber band off. And there's the rubber band. Give each person 5 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 124 divided by 2 wonderful students equals 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62. Okay? So now tell me about the number 62. Look at the ones place. It is even, so what can we do with that? We can split that in half. So now I need 124 divided by 4. So Avery and Dakota. Now, we need to split 62 in half. All right? We split the ones and 3 10s. We split the ones and 3 10s. So now I have 4 wonderful students with 3 10s and 1 1, which equals 31. Okay, now tell me about 31. It is, here's our ones place, because that's all that matters when we're doing odd and even. It does not have a partner, so it's odd. Now, we need to find out if it is prime. Here's our handy-dandy prime and composite sheet. 31, 29, 30. There's 31. Is 31 circled? Yes. That means it's a prime number, so we have split that up as much as we can. So I'll take 10 10s, 3, 6, 9, 10, and I'll put the rubber band around those. I'll put my 2 10s back in the 10s place. And my 4 1s for today back in the ones place. Okay? And my hundreds, I will put in the hundreds place because I don't have 3 hands, and I will wrap them in the rubber band later on. Okay, there's our number of the day today. Now, I wanted to do a little bit of subtraction with you because there's some regrouping that so far has been a big secret, but I wanted to help you with it. Okay? Now, let me get these names out of the way. Thank you for helping me with that today. All right, now, we've talked about 91 minus 16. We've talked about borrowing from the tens place and putting that 10 in the ones place. 11 minus 6 is 5. And 8 minus 1 is 7. And we can add it back up to make sure that we've got the right answer. 5 plus 6 does equal 11. 7 plus 1 does equal 8. Okay? Now, that's what you do if you do not have enough ones. But what do you do if you don't have enough tens? Okay, let's use our number of the day, 124. I'm going to have to move it down because I need a lot of room at the top. 124. Okay, that's our number of the day. We're going to use that. Minus 86. Okay. Do you have enough ones to take away 6 of them? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I've only got 4. Okay, so I'm going to borrow a 10. Okay, so that leaves me only 1 10. And now I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 ones. So now I have enough to take away 6. 14 minus 6. Well, I'm going to have to take the rubber band off. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Leaves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I bet you already knew that. Smarty pants. Children. Okay. Now, ruh-roh. Ho, 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 ho. I only have 1 10. And I need to take away 8 of them. Holy cow. What am I going to do? Think about it a minute. I really think I could go to the hundreds place. We just keep moving to the next place when we need to borrow. So I have 10 tens. I have 100 straws or 10 tens. So I'm going to borrow those. That gives me 0 hundreds. But that gives me 10 more tens than I had before. Okay? So now I have 11 tens. See how I did that? I took the 100 that was in the hundreds place. I broke it up into 10 tens because they're now in the tens place. And now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 tens. Everything I do here, I have to document here or I need to write it down. Now I have enough tens to take away 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. I'm going to take one away. Now, how many tens do I have left? Dun, da, da. Yes, I have 3. Now, we can add it back up to check our subtraction to make sure that we've done it right. Okay? 8 plus 6. Put 8 in your head. Okay? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And 3 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11 equals 11. And that equals 124. 100, 1 plus 1.